Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to deactivate your TikTok account using the TikTok Studio app. Just open the app, wait a little bit, and then you will have to find your profile. For example, tap on Analytics at the bottom of the page, and then click on your profile in the top right corner. The top right corner, tap on account, and here you will find this button, deactivate or delete. Tap on it, and if you want to recover your account soon, then just click on deactivate. Then tap on deactivate again, and that's basically it. I hope it will be useful for you.